I'm the Petty Melody. So first of all, I'd like to say Kia ora, alofa, I'm the Petty Melody. Thank you, and it is a pleasure to be in this whare and the marae. We also like to acknowledge the Treaty of Waitangi as our founding principles. It binds us together, coming together and enjoy this promised land, New Zealand. We are so privileged, we are so lucky. We've come to New Zealand. This is our home. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we are so fortunate. The Auckland Council has been giving us grant. Been giving us the support because they believe in our cause. They believe in what we are doing. It is important for our culture. It is important for our language. It is important for us. And this commemoration, it is the 74th anniversary. So this is a big achievement for us. This is a big story for us. So once again, we would like to acknowledge Manurewa Local Board. The Manurewa Local Board, they support our project, empowering Kiribati youth through heritage arts. So I would like you to say, Profession Rapa Manurewa Local Board. Manurewa Local Board. Our second funding also been granted by Auckland Council. That is through the Creative Communities New Zealand. Their name is Communities Creative New Zealand. They also supported our program, and that is to celebrate our people through cultural expressions. So once again, we would like to say, Profession Rapa Creative Communities New Zealand. Na go web, Profession Rapa Creative Communities Zealand.
Nakoy mi ka kambuda kinanon tayo kayo di kain utar-tarya makin benar korang ni kapan ka kamkos nanon tayo kayo. Te kamna panin maul. Ya pun nga tangan ka tigaray nanon tayo kay. Ibukin te boto kakin kanuan te pungay do mi kain utar-tarya makin. Iroya kaya sa naboto karon kanuan te tuwag may mona karkwaya o inpay. Ariyata. Teka-teka na ko ya teroro ay rigidak. Aw kana nga ba na tawag mo inayo ba tepaya kakawag na nun tayo kanarok. Pa na ururo nga gyaron te paye ka sandiki. Matepay ka kakawag yari sarokon te tayo yari aron nga patira sa karika te culture te wana iyon New Zealand. Te culture an yari iranganaki. Tekate ini kinibasi. Tekate ini miyang matekate non naka. Pare New Zealand ponte tetapo ay tapangag ay daw panangan to bayari sa nakamoy dayay pa ngayra na ikaslo ko di may kilibas ngayra amatay ka suwot at tiroy suwot at karinerin ke tiroy yan karinan temana yang takan kategory non tayo kayo no kaya ke asanon puto katwak apon na ko minikapan na kumakakuro po gina inanon tayo yo ano ko yan ang pairwa na panantigaray kanuan te pongay akam pasinap.
Ayud ko na record tante to kanika. Di na no ni kanga game na yai. Sila ko gure na ni gimare ide. Hubo.